Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will help you replace your toilet with an eco-friendly one. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including an adjustable wrench, a screwdriver, and a new wax ring. Next, locate the water shutoff valve behind your toilet and turn it clockwise to stop the water flow. Finally, flush the toilet to empty the tank and bowl, using a sponge to remove any remaining water. Now that the water is off, disconnect the water supply line from the toilet tank using your adjustable wrench. Then, remove the caps covering the bolts at the base of the toilet and unscrew the nuts. Gently rock the toilet to break the old wax seal, then carefully lift the old toilet straight up and away from the floor flange. With the old toilet removed, clean the flange area thoroughly. Now, place a new wax ring directly over the drain opening on the floor, ensuring it's centered. Carefully lower your new eco-friendly toilet onto the wax ring, aligning the bolt holes with the flange bolts. Press down firmly to create a good seal, then secure the toilet with new washers and nuts, tightening them evenly. Almost done, reconnect the water supply line to the bottom of your new toilet tank, tightening it with your wrench. Slowly turn the water supply valve counterclockwise to fill the tank, then carefully check for any leaks around the base and connections. Finally, flush the toilet several times to ensure everything is working correctly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.